iRobot, the company behind the Roomba robot, has over 30 years of experience in AI and robotics. Yet, they've begun to encounter a compounding set of issues in recent years. Let's go over some shifts they're undertaking in order to address ongoing issues. In 2024, iRobot initiated a transformation journey to rebuild both financially and strategically. They completed an operational restructuring plan to align costs with revenue expectations for improved profitability. They also streamlined their supply chain, relying on partners and contract manufacturers for non-core engineering functions. Additionally, they launched iRobot Labs, where all innovation and development of IP reside, focusing on key innovations and critical consumer needs throughout the home and beyond. During this period, new products like robotic floor care products were introduced with multifunctional docks for washing, drying, and heating the mop pad, allowing autonomous cleaning over an extended time. Furthermore, efforts to improve profitability led to an operational restructuring plan, which involved reducing its workforce by 440 employees, 40% of their global workforce, and cutting down operating expenses by $126.4 million. Such drastic moves come amid struggles because in fiscal year 2024, iRobot's total revenue was $681.8 million, a decline of 23.4% compared to the previous fiscal year. This performance was attributed to lower orders from retailers and distributors due to a drop in consumer sentiment and spending. Market conditions were challenging with increased competition, particularly in Japan, the US, and the EMEA region. When looking at the 5-point turnaround strategy called iRobot Elevate, the focus is on financial improvements, strengthening the brand, faster innovation, cost optimization, and talent development. In the short term, iRobot is focused on stabilizing the company post-merger termination with Amazon by implementing an operational restructuring plan to align its cost structure with revenue expectations. This includes gross margin improvements, research and development expense reduction, centralized marketing activities, global entity structure evaluation, and a streamlined product roadmap. The strategy also emphasizes innovation in robotic floor care for leadership maintenance while investing in customer satisfaction improvement and expanding the iRobot experience. iRobot and Amazon entered into an agreement and plan of merger in August 2022, aiming for iRobot to become a wholly owned subsidiary of Amazon. However, on January 28, 2024, both parties mutually agreed to terminate the merger agreement due to certain circumstances. As part of the termination, Amazon paid iRobot a cash payment of $94 million, the parent termination fee, on January 29, 2024, and iRobot used this money to repay a portion of their term loan while setting aside the remaining amount as restricted cash for future loan repayments. The parent termination fee was recorded as a benefit in operating expense during the first quarter of fiscal 2024. On March 11, 2025, iRobot entered into Amendment Number 1 to its credit agreement with TCG Senior Funding LLC as administrative agent and collateral agent. The amendment waived the company's covenant obligations until May 6, 2025, including providing an auditor's report on annual consolidated financial statements without exception regarding its ability to continue operations and maintaining a minimum level of core assets. The amendment also required more frequent supplemental financial reporting. iRobot returned $40 million to a controlled account for the benefit of the agent and lenders, which had been withdrawn for inventory purchase in Q3 2024. Fees payable by iRobot include $3.6 million paid via an increase in the outstanding principal amount of its term loan, and warrants to purchase up to 1,840,503 shares of common stock at an exercise price of 1 cent per share. On March 12, 2025, the company announced a formal strategic review to explore various alternatives, including potential sales or transactions and refinancing its debt. When looking back at iRobot history to the Roomba release in 2002, efforts now focus on AI and home understanding, with the aim to advance cleaning efficacy, increase autonomy of products, and enable personalized control over when and where robots clean. Connectivity and cloud infrastructure through Amazon Web Services supports the over-the-air delivery of new digital features and enhanced functionality for customers globally. This infrastructure also helps in identifying and rectifying product performance issues, improving support team effectiveness, and informing their product roadmaps. Robot offerings mainly revolve around robot vacuum and mop combinations like the Roomba Combo 10 Max and Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot, with features like Perfect Edge technology and iRobot OS control. They also offer accessories like Clean Base automatic dirt disposal system and consumables, along with extended service plans for their floor care robots. iRobot sells its robotic floor care products through channels like distributors, retail stores, their online store, and the Roomba Home app. In recent years, sales to non-US customers have accounted for over half of their revenue. They maintain in-house sales, marketing, and product management teams for some markets, while also working with distributors in other regions. iRobot's direct-to-consumer sales channel growth has been supported by a dedicated digital and marketing team that focuses on increasing brand awareness, educating consumers about the robots, facilitating easy purchasing, and assisting owners post-purchase. iRobot provides ongoing customer service and support through trained representatives who specialize in technical issues related to their products. With Wi-Fi connectivity available across all floor cleaning robots, customers can receive direct assistance via the Roomba Home app or video chat tools. Additionally, this connectivity allows iRobot to send out new features and enhanced functionality updates remotely. Support teams can assist customers with troubleshooting and self-repairs, while certified technicians handle necessary product repairs. Customers can reach support teams through various channels like website, email, social media, and telephone, which now includes a callback feature for convenience. iRobot markets its consumer robots through a wide network of retail partners, supported by their sales and marketing teams. They also sell directly to consumers through e-commerce channels globally. Their website showcases the brand, latest innovations, and enables direct sales while providing customer support services. The company's marketing strategy focuses on increasing consumer awareness and converting interest into sales. In 2024, they launched new products and advertising campaigns featuring a new tagline, improved packaging, and camera-based dirt detection technology. They continue to invest in critical marketing, advertising, and public relations efforts to build demand generation and customer loyalty. iRobot outsources non-core manufacturing competencies, such as final design, supply chain management, and production, to third-party entities skilled in hardware design, software development, and manufacturing. This allows iRobot to focus on engineering expertise in innovation and technology, while reducing the time required to bring a product from its design phase to mass production deliveries with improved quality and yields. iRobot primarily depends on contract manufacturers located in China, Vietnam, and Malaysia, but plans to rely more on Shenzhen 3 iRobotics, PICA, who oversees multiple manufacturing locations for iRobot's products. R&D expenses for the years 2024, 2023, and 2022 were 13.7%, 16.1%, and 14% of revenue, respectively. In line with their iRobot Elevate strategy, they began moving non-core engineering functions to lower-cost regions in 2024 and continued building R&D presence in China. They plan to invest further in software intelligence, robotics, computer vision, machine learning, and mechanical design for improved core functionality of robots, focusing on value drivers within their core category and potentially expanding into other consumer robotic products. In the market for cleaning robots, popular 2-in-1 robots combine vacuuming and mopping capabilities along with auto evacuation of dry debris and washing, drying of mopping pads. Key competitors include companies like Secotech, Dream, Ecovacs, Electrolux, LG, Midea, Roborock, Samsung, Shark, Xiaomi, Bissell, Dyson, and Hoover. Factors influencing robot sales include features, performance, total cost of operation, perceived value, maintenance and support, ease of use, quality, reliability, brand, and reputation. Success in the market will depend on continued product development, customer support, and leveraging their iRobot OS platform across products. iRobot holds 566 US patents, and some have been registered in selected foreign countries. Despite their efforts, unauthorized parties have attempted to copy aspects of their products or obtain information regarded as proprietary. iRobot initiated a lawsuit against Shark Ninja for infringing on 5 patents related to robotic vacuum cleaners. The case was settled during the third quarter of fiscal 2024. There's no guarantee that they will prevail in other patent infringement claims against third parties, and litigation may be necessary to enforce their intellectual property rights or defend against infringement claims. Just another issue to contend with during trying times for the company. For more on iRobot and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.